Hey everybody, Anthony Hunkler here with Magne Shade, where in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install your custom luxury floor mats. So before we actually unroll all of our mats, let's go ahead and grab some cleaning solution and a microfiber, and we're going to wipe down the floor area where the mats are going to go. That way it's nice and clean before we lay them down. With the floors now clean, let's go ahead and unroll these mats. That way we can see what we're dealing with. All right, so we've located the large front cabin mat, and this is all custom cut based on 3D scans that we take here at the facility. So it's got a lot of intricacies and curves and cuts, and that accounts for the custom nature of the front of these motorhomes. So what that results in is a really nice looking product, but we're gonna go ahead and take this front mat and install it. Here's what you do. So before putting your mat down, I definitely recommend you take your chairs and put them back as far as they'll go. It just gives you a little bit more room when working with the mat. And what I've done is located the cutout for the steering column. So this is gonna help guide me and get the mat in the right position, and that's where I'll begin. Locate the cutout for the steering column and use that as your guide to simply take the mat and put it underneath the pedals into its proper position. From there, we can work towards the passenger side of the motorhome and get everything aligned around the dash. This might require lifting the footrests up from your seats and sliding them back and forth to get the mat to fit into its proper position. Now that the front entry mat is in its proper location, let's go ahead and grab those step covers and begin to place those as well. Along every mat are pieces of Nano Tape, and what that does is it prevents your mats from slipping on slick surfaces such as tile. Nano Tape is comprised of thousands of microscopic suction cups, which ensure that your floor mats stay on the floor and don't slide. Once your mat is in the proper position and you're ready to set it in place, simply pull the protective film from the Nano Tape and firmly press the Nano Tape against your floor. Complete this step around the entire perimeter of your mat, and it is now installed. Now the Nano Tape can be cleaned if you ever pull these mats up by simply running warm water on the Nano Tape and allowing them to air dry. Thank you guys so much for your business and for following along on this video. If you have any questions about what you saw in today's video, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help.